Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Inkara IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about 13th November current affairs 2024 part 3 of the Hindu edition. This is from Delhi edition. And now we are going to see about the India to achieve $100 billion trade with Russia well before 2030. It's a target set by Jay Shankar. Now we are going to the see. It comes under the GS2 India and its neighborhood relationship topic. First, we must know that what is the key highlights behind the India and the trade between the Russia. India and Russia has grown more than a five-fold in the past 5 years. There is a increasing the bilateral trade. India and Russia agreed to increase bilateral trade to $100 billion by 2030. This includes the use of national currency to circumvent Western sanctions. New connectivity routes. India and Russia agreed on completion of the new connectivity routes like the Vladivostok maritime routes, that is Northern Sea route and the international North-South transport corridor via Iran, and also increasing the investment in the priority areas, that is it's agreed and enhancing the investment in the energy, and also they are forming the MOUs between the institutions. India and Russia signed a number of MOU agreements, institutions on climate change, polar research, legal arbitration, and also pharmaceutical certification. Streamlining the defense cooperation, India and Russia is a very well known partner. The delay in the defense supplies was discussed. Both parties have committed to exploring more areas of co-production of defense equipment, such as the India-Russia joint venture for assault rifles, facilitation of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Russia's highest civilian honor, the Order of the said Andrew and Apostle. What is the Russia-India bilateral trade? What is the current status? The phenomenal growth in bilateral trade. The trade has increased around 2.1 times in January, September this year, up to almost 50 billion USD, owing to strong demand of hydrocarbons in India and also exceeding the expectation. India and Russia have a bilateral trade target 30 billion before this targeted year 2025, and also they have the resident engineering expert, according to the engineering expert promotion council, that is EEPC in India, amid declining demand for engineering goods from major markets such as US and China. Shipment to Russia continued their um, uptrend and more than double to around, that is US dollar 123 million in July 2023 from around US dollar 55 million. It triples the value. And also we must know the India and Russia relationship in trade. First and foremost, time tested time tested bilateral ties, that is Russia and India have been long lasting the time tested partners, that is the Indo Soviet Treaty of Peace Friendship, that is Friendship Treaty, happened in the 1971, which specified mutual strategic cooperation, and also they are having the enhanced cooperations. The declaration of the India Russia strategic partnership in 2000, these ties have gained a qualitative new character with enhanced level of cooperation. It's almost all the area in the bilateral relationship. And also the India Russia summit happened, which has happened in December 2021. The many number of memorandum of understanding and agreements were signed between India and Russia. There was so much of significance relationship in the trade. There is an increasing in the bilateral trade, that is because of the free trade agreement involving European Economic Union, against the backdrop of bilateral economic ties seeing a sharp expansion since the start of the Ukraine conflict. Member of countries like EAEU, that is Russia, Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan, So they are the major member countries of EAEU, that is Eurasian Economic Union. Diversifying trade, and also India plan to diversified export basket of to Russia include pharmaceutical, fertilizers, coal, diamond, chemicals, and also in the field of ceramics among other goods. So there is many finding of new trade routes which will develop the eastern maritime corridor, and the northern sea route will also be interest in deepening the sea trade ties. And also international north-south transport corridors, that is INSTC, is another effective connectivity between the Indo-Russian trade and also increase the trade value. The two countries are also discussing the possibility of launching the trans Arctic container shipping line and also processing facilities along the northern sea routes. There is another new bilateral investment treaty between India and Russia, which advanced negotiation. Uh, uh, the new bilateral treaty that is necessary to boost our confidence of the investors, and also there is a challenges. There is a challenge between the India-Russia trade, that is trade imbalance. The skewed trade balance between the areas concern two countries. For example, during FY23, India has around a 43 billion trade deficit with Russia, which left their exporter with larger surplus in their escrow accounts in India. And also challenges in the rupee, that is Indian refiners and are using a mix of currencies to settle most of the Russian oil purchases. Both countries previously discussed that trading in the local currency, but this is yet to take off. This is yet to be take off because of the value volatility of the currency and also the high trade deficit. For example, the Indian rupee ruble trade since the Ukraine conflict has faced obstacles due to the accumulation of the rupees by the Russian side in the Russian side. So it will be give the very much obstacles to the India, and also there is a Russia's over dependence on China. China enjoys a direct connectivity, advanced logistics supply, and also high level trade and profitability with Russia. Since the beginning of Russia-Ukraine conflict, Russia-China cooperation also grown very well in all directions, and also the trade and turnover between the two countries will be reached record of 190 billion dollar last year. So this is actually increased by increased enormously. And also there is a infrastructure and connectivity issues also there for from our part. Inadequate transportation infrastructure, there is a impede for the smooth flow of goods and goods between the India and Russia. And also the absence of direct trade route and also high shipping cost makes the export to Russia is costly affair to India, but it doesn't share a land border with the Russia, so it's very much trigger our trade, and also it impedes our trade. So unlike China, China is having the close border with Russia, so it's a major important factor that they are very much increasing the trade ties. And also the Indian Russian trade relations, we have some ideas to way forward, that is addressing the trade imbalance. A huge imbalance in trade heavily towards Russia is an issue in the in the Indian rupee and the ruble trade. To solve this problem, Russia is key to import the manufacturing equipments, including machinery from the India. And also Asia's importance for India is a very important for Russia to compensate for the decline the trade with the West. Russia is looking much more towards Asia. For India, this could mean broadening our engagement that was overly is on the triad of military, nuclear, and also the space cooperation. So, providing solution to short and mid-term challenges in business, payments, logistics, and certification were some of the key areas to issue we should address and find the solution for that. And also we can improving the rupee ruble trade to tackle the accumulation of the Indian currency in Russia because of this war, increasing rupee trade and countries common to both India and Russia, where India has a trade surplus, can help in ensuring seamless money flow while solving these problems. For this, India has taken steps to de-dollarize trade while pushing for the internationalization of the Indian rupee. India as China's alternative to Russia. Since the start of Russia-Ukraine conflict, Russian raw material exposed to China and import of Chinese goods have sharply increased. There is a sanctions from the Western countries made Russia vulnerable, which was prompt China to use its economic leverages, forcing humiliating and one-sided concessions. However, India provides Russia with a choice of reliable partner and also capable to ensuring the inflow of necessary goods to the Russian market. Finally, we conclude that all India and Russia witness a substantial growth in the bilateral trade. However, addressing the trade imbalances, enhancing the connectivity routes, and also we exploring the diversified partnership between the India and Russia. It's a crucial for the sustaining the and strengthening their economic ties in the evolving global landscape. Thank you.